Left Christchurch like an hour ago, and I'm on my way to one stop before going to Kaikōura, which is Hanmer Springs. I think it's a cute village. Oh, hi! The view is amazing on the road. Look, like this since like, I don't know, 30 minutes. I'm not gonna stay too long here because I'm literally on the side of the road and like the cars are going pretty close to me. Anyway, yeah, but it's really beautiful. Oh my god, so beautiful, I love it. I had to stop again because the view, my god. I think I'm going to do that for like the next 2 weeks, stopping anywhere I want. Aha! Okay, let me just cross the road, the street, and not die. Oh my god. I'm crossing. Anyway, beach. Wait. It's raining a little bit, but it is fine. I cannot go there, but look. So I made it to Hanmer Springs, just had some lunch, salad, expensive but it was very good. And yeah, it's a very nice, cute village. It makes me like think about French Alps. I'm gonna drive around and start to go to Kaikōura, which is the next stop. So, yeah. After driving for like, oh my god, I think most part of today, I made it to Kaikōura, yes, and it's beautiful. As you can see, it's actually located on the east side of the island, South Island, where like the mountain meets the ocean, and it's beautiful. I was hoping for like a sunset, but first it's gonna set behind, so I don't know, and there's clouds coming, of course. But yeah, I'm gonna fly my drone, we'll see, but it's beautiful! Yes, I'm going to Big Town today. It's about like 2 hours away from here.